Yan. Okay. Go. Very good. O, nakataas kamay ha. Nakataas kamay. O, wag magdataas yung paa sa likod ha. Huwag itaas. Dapat nakaganon ka lang. Flat. Yan. Yan. Ganyan lang. Okay? Forward ka. Forward ka. Go. Yan. Yan. Good. Let's go. Let's go. Yan. Go. Taas naman. Taas naman. Okay. Come on. Come on. Sapit ka ng konti. Go. Good. Go. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Beginners pa to. Beginners. Go. Okay. Yan. Ganyan lang. Taas kamay. Hinga. 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 Wangin. Wangin. Okay. Go. Time. Very good. Ito ka. Ito ka. Timing lang lagi ha. Kailangan mo timing. Hindi naman kailangan nagmamadali. Timing lang. Focus ka. Focus. Yan. Ganyan lang. Tanda mo na lagi yung ginagawa mo. Kung para memorize mo lang. Memorize mo lang. Para bis madali matuto. Okay? Tanda mo lang. Lang yung timing. Tapos, isa pa, huwag tataas yung paa mo kung mag-straight. Nahabol mo. Okay? Kapit ka lang. Ganun lang. Sit lang. Stop. Okay? Straight. Ganun lang. Okay, start. Go. Okay, distance ka muna. Position ka muna. Position muna. Lapit ka. Lapit ka. Taas kamay. Taas kamay. Ayan. Good. Pa. Go. Pa. Bigaw ka lang yung straight. Isang straight lang. Forward ka. Malayo ka. Go. Straight. Bigay mo. O nakataas ang kamay. Taas kamay isa. Good. Isa pa. Good. Unahin mo yung jab. Unahin mo yung jab. Jab. Yan. Go. O, taas kamay. Forward ka ng konti. Go. Very good. Good job. Go. Okay. O, taas kamay mo na. O, jab straight. Jab straight. Go. Very good. Taas kamay. Let's go. Let's go. Ayan. O, kamay. Kamay. Huwag ibababa. Let's go. Go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 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 Go.